Set up 9-9 pass and everything was to make a step on the men's figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Guys, Greenbot back again with another video 2. LM5 bounce back. LM5 tour Madrid. You see me? So once you call this and so we're going to a tour and then I perform them new single bounce back. So let's begin now.
I think he wants us to sing.
Oh, and this video is from a channel called Salute Perrier, so you can check out the official video. But I'll leave the description in the link in my description, so you can check out the channel for yourself to, you see me? Support every YouTuber.
Do you guys want to do some more?
Yeah, I like them suit. Them always come out with it with some match it with some. The suit them look similar in a way, but them always different. Like either one foot missing, one hand missing. You see me? So I like that. Bring a bounce back. Bring a bounce back. Bring a bounce back. Bring a bounce back. Are you ready? Right there. Wave it. Twerking backstage. You know what I mean? And when I do bad. Perrier. Not to lie, Leon did kill that video, bro. Leon was, boy, Leon is one fine piece of girl, bro. Can you hear me? Them love Perrier, no, Perrier nice, bro. Perrier, I think that Perrier is like very funny, bro. And that's a nice quality from a girl, like full of joke vibe there, like she not bored, isn't it? Mama. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. They was in my way. I'm the same like them Cardi, bro. I love them Cardi. Them Cardi is always on point, you see me? Alright guys, this is the end of the reaction video to LM5 Bounce Back LM5 Madrid. You see me, it's the 2019 tour with them up. And as me I say, yeah, you see me. So that's the end of the reaction video. No flow, peace.